don't have any items, but we just use a demo to do that. Okay, on transactions, on maintenance, that is, we have a feature called warehouse utilities. So this feature is for updating stocks, as you can see here, to add all inventory items for a specific warehouse, add a range of items, remove items from specific warehouse. So this is used in those kind of scenario. So like right now we have created a new warehouse. So how do we update it? We just select add to where add, or select this button, add or remove, then you select add all warehouse inventory items to a specific warehouse, then you select this warehouse, then that should be okay. You just select. Okay, but this is more important when you have done a backup. Okay, so if you want to learn how to take a backup, you can watch one of my videos. I've demonstrated that. Okay, so you add. Okay, so you can see, you can still check the log files. So it says all items were added to warehouse JTW and the warehouse certificate has been tabulated. Okay, so that is the second part. Okay, so the next part is how do you set up upload feature on Sage 200. Okay, so Sage 200 comes with extra functions like DDS, synchronization, and the rest. But